Hello Artsies, and this is Mrs. B. Welcome back to Umaarteng Penmanship. We will be having a review of this Faber Castell 4 Pitt artist pens in Sepia. I like the brush pen, and I like also to get some of drawing pens in other colors because I would like to try painting some chocolates. So I will open this now. Well, I asked my friend to buy this National Bookstore last night for 408.75. I looked for this same item online, but it's more pricey than buying in the physical stores. So when my friend was in the art store yesterday, I asked her if she can buy this for me, and then she agreed and then delivered to me same day. This comes in 4 sizes. It's small or S, we have fine, we have also medium, and brush. Alright, and it says here at the back that it is pigmented in the ink. Alright, maximum light fastness, waterproof, permanent, odorless, acid-free, pH neutral for NIS, S, F, M, and B brush. Okay, the B is the brush. There is small, there is medium, there's fine, and the brush. For the brush, of course, I will be using this for calligraphy. Okay, for the others, I will be using it as my liner for my watercolor painting. I use a black drawing pen. Also, this is the one, but this is not waterproof, and I use it to outline my work after I paint. These are waterproof, it says, and we will try it later if it's really waterproof, because I won't like it ruining my painting after or whatever. So let's try the small. This is 0.03 or S or small. Let's try this on my paper. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, it's good. It has good texture. Okay, so that's the small. Let's try the F or 0.5. So this is a bigger tip. It is. Okay, let's try this. Alright. There. It's a hard tip. Okay, let's try the 0.7 or the medium. So this is the tip of it. So it's getting bigger now. Alright, there you go. So you can see the differences of the lines. Now let's try the B or the brush. Okay, so this is the tip of it. Alright, there you go. So it's a brush pen, small brush, and it's good. Alright, let's just thin. It has a very point tip. I like it. It's also small brush because I really like small, because I didn't write actually big. So for my journals, I will be using that. Okay, so this is the small or the S. This is the fine or 0.7 or 0.5. I mean, then this is the medium, and this is the brush. Okay, so this is it. I'll open this one again so that you could see. Okay, so this is the tip of it. This is the fine, so it's getting bigger. We have the medium, and of course the brush. Alright, this is okay, I think this is the same tip with my other small brush pens, but it's also good for calligraphy. The tip of this is not really smooth, not really flexible, but it's also good. But it's good when I try to write it. Now I will be testing this if this is really waterproof. Alright, so I get my water brush. Okay, and I will try if this won't ruin or won't erase this ink. Okay, let me try. Okay, let me get some water there. Okay, there, it has water. Alright, yeah, it's waterproof. Alright, there. It is really waterproof and it's good. I tried to use the brush on the set and here how it looks. Alright, there you go. It looks like it can imitate somehow the copper plate. There you go, because it has really pointed tip, so it can make really thin lines like that. That's my review of this brush pen and also in this set. If you like to watch some of my videos about the review of my watercolor, you can check this out, and you could also check my other videos too. Till next time.